Included: 250W motor base, crossblade, tall cup, short cup, party mug, lip rings, stay fresh resealable lids, to-go lid and 10-second recipe guide. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces and dips. 250 watts high-torque power base. Included recipe book gets you started making quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Add 1/2 cup water for smooth blend for vegetables. Magic Bullet 11-piece set blender food processor for kitchen with over 40 million bullets sold. Make it fast by keeping it simple. Does any job in 10 seconds or less. High-speed blender mixer. 10-second recipe book included. Like your personal kitchen food processor blender assistant. Do it all with high-speed blender mixer system. Chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and mince. Handy, versatile and easy to use, the Magic Bullet blender food processor takes up minimal counter space while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. With its unique design and compact size, the Magic Bullet blender food processor chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more in less time than it takes to assemble standard kitchen appliances. Make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails and pureed soups super easily. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. The secret to the Magic Bullet's time-saving efficiency is its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape. These features work together to quickly and forcefully circulate food back into the cyclonic cutting zone, allowing the Magic Bullet to do virtually any food prep task in seconds. Top reviews from the United States. It's magic. What else are you looking for? Yup, it's magic. Says so right on it. I was not disappointed with its performance. My blender expectations are normally never met, but this little number, it knows how to do it. I own a Vitamix blender. It doesn't have the word magic printed on it, but I'd throw down $100 that there was some sort of sorcery involved in the production of it. This little blender is straight up with you about its powers. And did I mention ease of cleaning? Pure magic.